While programming in C#, using Unity Game Engine, we want variables to be visible in the Unity inspector where we can set the value of the variables in the editor. As an example, here is a simple example script where the cube GameObject is continuously applied rotation to. We can change the speed of cube rotation by changing the value of the speed variable in the Unity inspector. But how did we get access to the speed variable in the Unity inspector? We did that by defining the variable speed as a public member variable. A public variable is accessible throughout the game by other scripts also, and its value can be set in the Unity Editor inspector. In our case, we do not want the variable speed to be accessible to others as it is not needed. So, you might think, why to declare this variable as public in the first place? This is because a public variable is available in the Unity editor for read and write. This is not a good practice, as public member variables give up control of who can change the state of the object, and that introduces an opportunity for bugs. To overcome this, we first convert the member variable to an auto-implemented property like this. By annotating variable speed with the SerializeField attribute, and add the field prefix to the annotation like this. We can now see the variable speed in the inspector and edit the value there. I hope this helped. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share my channel for more fun videos, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.